Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys hotspot setting in your Samsung phone guys. In this video guys, we will talk about guys how to change hotspot password in our Samsung phone. Guys, you want to change your hotspot password in your Samsung phone, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change hotspot password in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So it's now time to start video. And first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your hotspot password. So as you can see guys, this type of settings. So guys, first setting guys, you can see guys your connection settings. So guys, tap here. Then guys, click on guys your mobile hotspot, and guys again click on mobile hotspot setting. And guys, click on this configure set tap here, and guys click on your password, and guys cut this password. So it's new password guys, you can change from ASL. So I will change into guys 98765432 1. And guys, you want to use this alphabet, so guys you can use like that, where I will not use guys, I will use 98765432 1 3 here missing. And guys, you can see the save option, so guys tap here. Then guys come back, then guys again click on, then guys you can see password has changed in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change hotspot password in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.